How to use opioids properly. Most importantly is to follow the directions of your physician. Most of the time these are prescribed as short-acting drugs, whether it's Percocet, Vicodin, OxyContin, and the doctor will prescribe 1 to 2 pills typically every 4 to 6 hours if it's regular acting as opposed to delayed onset medication. In this situation, a person should try to minimize how much they're taking. They should start off with the lowest possible dose at the longest period of time in between, so 1 pill every 6 hours. And they don't need to take it as scheduled unless there's a tremendous amount of pain that they're trying to cope with. The idea is to combine this with anti-inflammatory drugs if they are allowed by your physician. They are not for everybody. But to take them sparingly and to use them for a maximum of a period of a week. People can have problems with developing an addiction or dependency, meaning that if they don't take it they start feeling ill and go through withdrawals. That can start after about a week. So if a person's using it as prescribed, minimizing how much they're taking and not taking it longer than a week, then this is probably the most responsible way to take them. Just to tack on to that, if a person is going through withdrawal, it's nothing wrong with letting your physician know that should they continue the prescription, to provide a smaller amount and to take it less frequently. Basically they're going to taper you down to make it a little more comfortable to get off of the drugs altogether. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comment box below.